music to dance. So we used to also teach them Garba and Dandiya. And during the Navratri festival of 2020, where maybe a little bit we were opened up but not given permissions to have complete Navratri celebration, we at that time too had the Navratri celebration on the page of Country Club, where we gave the music to the entire world and the world would dance and send us their videos. This is exactly what Country Club does. Country Club at your doorstep. I've been truly fortunate to be a part of the Country Club since 2016, and जब से मैं Country Club में पहली बार मैंने गरबा किया, let me tell you, it was the unveiling of the book Nine Nights Navratri, which is the first book in the world unveiled by the Honorable former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Anandiben Patel. It was Sir who did the unveiling, and thereafter, of course, having performed at Paris, and last year the biggest celebration at New York Times Square, when lakhs of people were watching me play Garba, is just because of Country Club. So I'm truly humbled and overwhelmed to be here. So this Dandiya 2K24 is extremely special, where we're also looking forward to franchise joining us here. So I'm going to please hand over to Sir before I take you into the beautiful Garba Dandiya zone. Friends from the media, humble thanks to each and every one of you. What a beautiful moment, as we shall request Mr. Rajiv Reddy to address us all. And sir, a lot of friends keep asking me about the franchise. They recognize me as the brand ambassador of Country Club. And they keep telling me about the franchise, how can we be a part? And of course, actually have the franchise of Country Club. So please guide us. Thank you.
Thank you for the entire video. Let me wish you in advance happy Navratri. This is on this glorious occasion that I thought I would unfold our future plans. Our future plans because of our growth rate and because of the tourism that is happening around the world. India happens to be somewhere very close to 9 or 10 in the world. And I think with our population and all that, that is not a very happy thing. We need to grow, and if we need to grow, we need to position ourselves strategically so that tourism can boom. And with the new networking that has come and new government policies, I'm sure I think we will definitely get the top 2-3 in the next 3-4 years if we continue to focus on tourism and building global tourism. Country Club has achieved a record number of rooms last year with about 50,000 room nights. It is one of the best in the industry, but then that is not enough. You know, the future is amazing. Sky is not the limit. And we are right now, the brand Country Club is like bottomless pit. There, I mean, around the country and maybe different parts of the world, you know, people know about the Country Club and they want brand Country Club to be there. But then we have our own limitations. We thought that the best way to go forward is to follow the most natural route of growth through franchising. On date we have about 50 clubs or 30 are franchising, and then we intend to take the franchising route to about 100 in the next 1 year. So a lot of opportunities, a lot of people are asking, are showing interest in the northern markets, northeastern markets, western markets, because we are very, very strong in the south. We have, of course, you have seen the photograph about 30 and odd years back that we had the first press conference. People were not even expecting 400 people, but today when we are having a membership base of about 2 million people, it is definitely one of the biggest advantages a new property owner or a new franchise owner can get, the advantage of volumes from the Country Club. And also, this is the only family club maybe in the world actually of such magnitude. If you go to Google and you see, you will find that this is the largest family clubbing chain in the world. So, we thought that the most natural way to gain access to these markets, and not only these markets, you know, we're getting inquiries from other parts of the world. So, I'm sure, I think, going forward, I'm sure, I think this coming years will be really very, very interesting, very exciting. And I'm sure a lot of people are going to prosper in this win-win situation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, thanks for congratulations. The trailblazer, Mr. Rajiv Reddy, has his own way of doing things, and that is what attracts the world. And I'm truly elated sir, but before we go ahead for the grand unveiling of the poster launch, I want to give this a mention where sir did the unveiling of the book Nine Nights Navratri, which is the first book in the world on the dance form of Garba and Dandiya. जो पहली किताब है, which was unveiled by our former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Anandiben Patel, and sir did the unveiling first international launch, and sir now in December, where Garba is a part of the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. So we all need to celebrate Garba and Dandiya because it's a part of the UNESCO too, and now the entire world is celebrating, and this is exactly which book you unveiled at that time. It's been mentioned in the book. So without any further ado, we are very excited to have the poster launch. Are you ready, Rajiv sir?
Yeah, we're ready for that.
I just want to say that you're looking very handsome. What a picture! And that's the beautiful traditional, beautiful work from our Gujarat. So can we please have the unveiling?
You have seen Simran Ahuja and the rest who have just done a performance. It was very magical, very interesting, and very thought-provoking. You see, Country Club, when we started this, Navratri was not even existing in Hyderabad. But then we made sure that we started this in a very quick manner. And today, Pan India, it is packed with people. More than 2 lakh people will be attending this show. And it's going to be one of the biggest hits of this. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Country Club's Asia's biggest Navratri Utsav, the Dandiya Nights 2K24, and I'm truly overwhelmed because now Garba is a part of UNESCO, and this is such a huge honor. When Mr. Rajiv Reddy unveiled the book Nine Nights Navratri, which was that why Garba should be celebrated across the world. It is the dance of the universe. So when you unveiled the book, we had no idea, where we were invited by BBC London for an interview regards the book, which was penned down by me. But sir, all thanks to you, because of your encouragement, we ourselves spread the world, and with Garba and Dandiya, right from going to Paris to performing at New York Times Square to Los Angeles to Norway to Switzerland and to several other countries. I really want to thank you because you gave me that palm that go ahead and spread Garba to the world. So it's a huge honor, and everybody, Pan India, we're having this beautiful celebration. Nowadays, we don't get time to spend with our loved ones. Why should we do Dandiya and Garba, and why is it known as such a popular dance form? So I really want to mention this. This is the dance form where age is no bar. You can even be 82 years and still dance, and weight is no bar. So even if you weigh around 150 pounds, how you can be a part of it, all you have to do is just carry a smile, because we're dancing with our loved ones. We're dancing with our family, with our loved ones. And if you don't know the other person, all you do is smile and enjoy the music. The rhythm itself is such a beautiful rhythm, and most important, it is the dance of the goddesses, by the grace of the goddesses. Jai Ma Ambe, hello, what a beautiful feeling. So please do join us, Pan India, at the Dandiya Utsav 2K24. It's the biggest Navratri ever, because now Garba is also a part of the UNESCO's cultural intangible celebration. So this is a huge honor, and a humble thanks to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for truly taking Garba to the world just the way yoga is traveled the world. So I'm so excited and thrilled, and thank you very much, Country Club. Thank you, Rajiv.